Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows 10 or Windows 11 error code 0x800700a1 when the updates have failed. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve the problem. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side underneath options, go ahead and select the other troubleshooters button. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshoot Run button. So go ahead and launch that troubleshooting utility. Okay, so once that's done, hopefully that would have been able to resolve the problem. Something else we could try here as well, if you open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, I want you guys to type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's completed, go ahead and close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer. And hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.